Contentment is not giving up on growth. Get that, family. When you are content with what God has given you, it doesn't mean that you are not pursuing growth. No. It is refusing to let your joy be held hostage by a number. You can be ambitious and content at the same time. That is very much possible. So the habit that you need to stop scrolling and comparing. Stop looking at what others have and asking God stupid questions. Why not me? Instead, ask him this: what are you building in me right now? Contentment is the soil in which real financial growth grows. Habit number 3, saving. Save. Put money aside consistently and wisely. The Bible knew about financial planning long before spreadsheets